welcome to, this is not quite Binondo, but we're on the edge of Binondo. Okay, now Jones Bridge from here is around about 10 minutes from Carriado Station. Hello, good to see you, my friend. CJ was like, it's really walking distance? I'm like, yeah, about 10 minutes. If you can walk 10 minutes. Wow, it's so different to like Mandaluyong or like BGC where I am. Very, very more lively, much more commerce happening in this area. Oh, hey, but this is Star Cruise, right? Star Cruise, Paul? Yeah. And look at that, that is Binondo. Welcome to the area of Star Cruz or Santa Cruz. And I believe this is Santa Cruz Church here on the left. We've got a very famous fountain in the middle. And just over there is the arch where Chinatown begins here in Binondo. Huh? Binondo's that way, Chinatown. Did you come here for Chinese New Year? Oh, it was crazy. It was crazy, boy. Yeah, it was full of people, but it was so fun too. All right, we gotta go to Jones Bridge. Jones Bridge is in this direction. Oh, you're now seeing what Manila used to look like, you know, in the 1800s. During the Spanish colonial period, you'll see some very old neoclassical style buildings, and as well as some brutalist looking buildings like this one here.
But you are the one who touring me.
Oh yeah, I am touring you. You want to take a picture, Nalang? It's a beautiful building, huh? Ganda, huh? Yeah. Hey, not this way, this way. We gotta go. We gotta cross this way. Yeah, cross. Sculptor Street. Woo! This section here of Manila looks very much like a European city. It was almost as if you were in Spain or France. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, very vintage. I was just pointing out how beautiful this building is to CJ. Now she's taking a picture. It's actually pretty well preserved. There probably has been some renovations done to the exterior, but it still looks very pretty. So, is it within walk? Oh, man, fix your hair. Have you seen this, CJ? This is a brand new walkway that has been open for a couple months. Can't remember the exact name of it, but it's along the right side of the embankment as you're going towards the opening or the mouth of the Pasig River. It's a very beautiful walkway that goes in this zigzag pattern. Plenty of greenery along here. And the new development is located just opposite Escolta Pier on that side of the Pasig River, right by the post office building which recently burned down. But I think, look, I'm pretty sure it looks a lot worse than this. Maybe they've already conducted some renovations on the exterior and painted it.
Night.
So the famous one is the post office, and then Jones Bridge as well.
Jonas Bridge.
Yeah, Jones Bridge is that one.
Oh,
That's the one.
that's the trend.
What?
The trending one, bridge.
Oh no, the trending thing is that over there. You see that? That's the walkway that we need to get to. But to get there, we could either take the MacArthur Bridge, which is not so special, or take the Jones Bridge, which is a lot prettier. CJ saying that the new development here, which I don't know the name of as of yet, is a lot prettier at night than it is during the day. But we can stay here until like sunset, until the lights come on. Sunset would be really good to see from here, yeah. Because there's like fountains or LED lights here, and then when all the lampposts turn on as well, the Victorian lampposts, it looks very, very beautiful. But maybe we can find a Starbucks around here in the meantime and wait for the sunset. Ferry station, yeah, this is Escolta Pier. This is where the ferry would have dropped us off had there been space, availability to get on the ferry, but it was fully booked, unfortunately. But I think the last ferry back is at 6 p.m. But again, oh my goodness, look how oversubscribed it is. There's queues to get on the Pasig River ferry. Damn. I wonder where they learned of the Pasig River ferry. It's good to see a lot of young people using it as well. Look at that. You remember when I used to use this? There was no one here. Absolutely no one. It was just me and some other locals. But now it's become quite a tourist attraction. And the government probably needs to invest in more boats to handle the level of demand. Here it is, Jones Bridge. Woo! I've made a number of videos about this Jones Bridge here. Quite a special monument. this part of Metro Manila, the real Manila, is slowly getting better over the years. You know, when I first came here 2 years ago, that never used to exist. This other project that's recently just finished was completely just rubble, and there was nothing there. Me and Mayor walked along that side of the embankment last year, and we had some guys come up to us, but Mayor was really scared. They were cool guys, but it just wasn't a very friendly, open place like it is today. Now that the renovations are finished along the embankment here just outside the post office, it's now become a location for tourists to come and visit. Slowly, Manila is starting to regain its once former glory. And me and CJ are trying to work out how we get onto this embankment here, because there is no clear route to get from where we are. Oh wow, looks like they've got a toilet setting up here as well. Look, one for males and females. That'd be nice. Maybe let's stay. Ah yeah, there's a ramp just behind this box here. Hello Kuya.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, how are you? Oh, this is it here. Wow. Very cool. It looks pretty nice right now, but we have to wait until the evening where its real beauty is displayed. Oh, what did you say? You're not what? Maputik?
Maputi.
Maputik.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm
What does that mean?
White? No. Itim.
I think I know. I think I know what.
Maputi.
Oh, okay. Because I was telling CJ, should we walk along
Just
the
like
embankment?
you're Maputi. I'm maitim.
I'm Maputi, am I? Oh, I'm white.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I wonder how long it stretches for, huh? I think the fountains are those little statues there where the water sprouts from. Oh wow, look, it goes along here. So it's not yet finished. I can see it's not yet finished because when you go underneath Jones Bridge, there's a side of the walkway that's supposed to continue further in that direction, but it's currently under construction. We have one.
It's unplanned, so I don't have umbrella.
It's unplanned, so you don't have an umbrella. Who needs an umbrella?
Planned gala.
Just get some UV rays on you. Not too much, but some will do. It's right by these statues where the fountains are going to start sprouting out from. These guys hold little lights. I don't know if they've also got little sprouting things that eject water. I think these are the jets here. I don't know, some LED lights. I think they're articulating jets, so they might move around. But given how close these jets are to the walkway here, I wonder if this area gets pretty wet or not. And then look, adorning the embankment walls are nice floral patterns and sculptures positioned every few meters on these blocks. Well, it'll be really nice to get ourselves a coffee, and I just had a look on Google Maps, and the nearest Starbucks is the one along Juana Luna Street or the one in Intramuros. And actually the one next to Intramuros or inside Intramuros is closer. And CJ's surprised that Intramuros is just there. Actually, the Jones Bridge connected Intramuros to Binondo.
We are just planning to go to Intramuros. Always.
Well, considering we're here, we might as well just have a quick little look and get ourselves a coffee until the sun sets. It's super intense today, eh? You know what? I think maybe in the future there might be some more river ferry services here in Manila, because that looks like it was designed to be a pier. That would be nice, huh? If there was more ferries and more cruises along the Pasig River in the future, because it's a big river and it can accommodate quite a few boats. Yeah, that's a sculpted pier over there, you see? Alright, let's go get ourselves a Starbucks. Change of plans, folks. I think we're going to have to go to the one along Juana Luna Street, if I'm getting that right, because the Starbucks in Intramuros is inside Intramuros. And because of the walls, we can't just directly cross over. We have to go all the way around through the main entrance and then go back round to get to you know where. And so it's going to take about 20 minutes to do that. So rather than doing that, we're just going to cross over the Jones Bridge and get onto Juana Luna Street right away where there's a Starbucks there and chill for a while. Wow, look how beautiful Jones Bridge is looking right now, folks. It's overgrown with greenery. Wow, these trunks here have thorns that are protruding out of them. I have no idea what type of tree this is, but I've never seen one like it. Those are really sharp thorns, huh? Similar to what you see on a durian, if not sharper. Hello, how are you? Oh, we can go through here? Starbucks?
Starbucks?
Thank you. What more is this? Which mall was this?
Pacific Center.
Pacific Center, okay, thank you. Alright, Pacific Center. Underneath Pacific Center is a Starbucks. And this is the one along Quintin Paredes. Oh wow. I've actually been to this particular Starbucks before. I remember sitting over there. Trip down memory lane. I'll reconvene this video once I've got myself a coffee and refreshened up. Well, I've returned to the Jones Bridge and the turnout seems a lot more than what it was an hour ago. And there's a fountain show that's going to take place here at 6:07 p.m. in about 30 minutes time. Now this is the side of the embankment that I've never been to, nor have I been underneath the Jones Bridge, I don't recall ever. Can't see a thing because of the light. I'm just trying to look for the signs of aging or like what was part of the original Jones Bridge. You know what? I'm feeling kind of peckish here. And just beneath the embankment here are food stores selling kway kway, bottled water. I wonder if there's any shao mai, because if there was, I would go and get some right now. There's crispy chicken skin, so maybe proven there. I think there's some shao mai over there. Right, I'm starving, so I'm gonna get myself something to eat, and I think I'm gonna get some shao mai from here. Oh yeah. Hello, Bo. Can I get some shao mai? You want shao mai? Wow, look at that. 4 pieces for 25 pesos. I've never seen it so cheap. How's the shao mai, ma'am? Shao mai good? Yeah?
Chicken, beef, or pork?
Which one do you think?
I'm not eating.
Why?
No.
Do you not trust it?
No. Do you want?
Homemade shao mai. Hi, ma'am. Can I see the shao mai? Oh, okay. Like that. And what about the other side? Oh, okay. Can I get some pork shao mai? I'll get two sets, okay? Just flick all her hair on it. That's steaming. Alright, got myself 2 sets of pork shao mai. I got some calamansi here as well that I can drizzle over. Alright, time to go in. Oh. Absolutely delicious. Look at this, the lights are starting to come on along the embankment here. The Victorian lampposts that have lit on. There's even lights underneath the balustrades here. Made from stone. Sorry, not stone, concrete. Oh wow, it's shaping up to be quite an epic sunset here in Binondo or along Jones Bridge. Ew. Can't wait for the fountain show to begin. But oh, the fountain's already on. Look. Even though it's been about a month or 2, this area here by the embankment is still quite a popular tourist attraction amongst local Filipinos. Because look, it's still rammed. You can't really get a picture of these fountains with no one in it. But let's see if I can. Well, having bumped into a subscriber just like literally a couple seconds ago, he tells me this area here that's just newly opened is literally just 1% of the entire project that's going to take place to make Metro Manila along the Pasig River walkable. So if that's the case, I can't wait to see that happen. I wonder how long it will take. Probably 10 years to fully complete the project. I mean, this took about 2 years to do, if not longer. Ah, right? Very ganda, right? I like her dress. You know what? The darker it gets, the prettier this area gets as well, right? Maybe they should add music to the
Ayan.
background. Oh, copyright free music. That'd be good. Because then I wouldn't have to like, you know, block out the music. Well folks, I'm going to be wrapping up today's video here. If you enjoyed today's video of me visiting this new development here in Jonesbridge, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video and share it with friends and family. And I'll see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching guys. Take care and bye for now.